Today I'm making my best pizza ever. It's a marinara pizza, and I'm working this dough on the opposite side of the oven under the deck. It is too shiny today, so I'm afraid the quality of the video won't be good if we're outside all the time. Now I'm preparing the dough, and I'm gonna put the San Marzano tomato. This is our tomato, our San Marzano tomato, and that's from last year. I planted my seeds this year, and they're about 2 inches long now, and I will make some videos to show you the process of growing the San Marzano tomato. It's the best tomato for the pizza. This is fresh oregano, freshly dried oregano. We got lucky with the weather, and we have our brand new oregano and sliced garlic. And not the last ingredient, the olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. We can say last ingredient because most of the people don't put basil on the marinara. They think it should be without basil. But it tastes good, it looks good, and it's fresh basil. So let's do. Now I'm taking it to the oven on the peel. I'll stretch it a little bit, and I'll pinch it a couple times to minimize the amount of the bubbles. We don't want too many bubbles in it because they're gonna burn or get overburned. Now it is going in the oven. The temperature of the floor is about 850 degrees Fahrenheit, and it is all oak firewood. In the time, there's no speeding, no changing, so this is the actual time the pizza taken in the oven, about 80 seconds. Now the crust is almost about to get done rising, and I'm almost ready to go in and turn it. The first turn. Look, halfway done. All it takes 2-3 turns. Now it's out of the oven. Perfect, beautiful marinara pizza. Let me show you more. See, the basil is still almost green. And the bottom, the leopard pattern on the bottom. That's the magic work of the brick oven floor. And here we go. Thank you very much for watching.